Just a day after we told you about the first human case of the West Nile in mid-Michigan, a woman has died from it. The elderly woman from Washtenaw County was hospitalized with viral meningitis earlier this month. The Department of Community Health says nearly 24 others in Michigan have been infected with West Nile this year. Only around 20% of people who have the virus ever realize it or experience symptoms.
We've also identified 9 presumptive viremic blood donors, and these are individuals who have donated blood and were viremic. They were infected at the time of giving blood, but were not sick or symptomatic.
Now, those blood donations have since been removed from the supply. To avoid getting the virus, it's recommended you keep screens on windows and doors, drain standing water, wear insect repellent, and stay inside at dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are more likely to be out. West Nile, it is not just hitting Michigan. North Texas is one of the hardest hit areas. Laura Engel explains what the city of Dallas is doing to kill the mosquitoes.
A serious battle against a growing West Nile epidemic. Health officials in Texas set to begin aerial spraying in the Dallas area to kill off mosquitoes which carry and spread the illness. More than 200 people have been infected in the area. At least 10 of them died. The Dallas mayor declaring a state of disaster. It's the first time the city has conducted aerial spraying of insecticide in about half a century. Some residents say they're not sure if it's the right move.
Our concerns mostly have to do with her being pregnant. So what are they going to drop on us, and how are they going to drop it?
In a phone interview, a spokesperson for the Texas Department of Health Services saying the aerial spraying is safe.
The risks with aerial spraying are very minimal, especially compared to the risk of disease that we're seeing with West Nile virus. The aerial spraying will be safe and effective for the people of Dallas.
The virus is spreading quickly across the country. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says more than 30 states have reported cases of West Nile, and there have been about 30 deaths nationwide so far this year. The disease can cause fever, headaches, vomiting, or a rash, but there are no medications to treat the virus or vaccines to prevent it.
Our main point is to remind people that it's still out there and that they should not let their guard down.
Health officials urge people to wear insect repellent and remove containers that can hold water, which attracts mosquitoes. In New York, Laura Engel, Fox News.